In virtually every industry, every market, and every application, electronics, product, and system design engineers are facing next-generation demands to do more in smaller packages, deliver higher performance with reduced energy consumption and lower noise levels, and minimize maintenance costs with maximum uptime. With increasing capacity in a smaller footprint, this can only lead to one thing: an increasing number of thermal challenges. As the world leader in thermal management, Laird Thermal Systems provides customers all over the world with innovative thermal solutions that enhance performance and reliability while maintaining maximum system uptime. Laird Thermal Systems impacts every phase of the product development cycle to reduce risks and accelerate product time to market. We manufacture one of the most diverse product portfolios in the industry, ranging from active thermoelectric components and assemblies to temperature controllers and liquid cooling systems. With unmatched thermal management expertise, we use advanced thermal management techniques and innovative technology to solve complex heat and temperature control problems. Our complete suite of services will help keep you ahead of the competition. Laird Thermal Systems is the only company in the industry with such a comprehensive family of vertically integrated thermal management technologies, products, and custom solutions. From peltier modules, thermoelectric cooler assemblies, and temperature controllers to liquid cooling systems, our products and unmatched experience help customers develop optimized solutions for the most demanding applications. Laird Thermal Systems is the preferred thermal management solution supplier for major OEM manufacturers in the medical, analytical, industrial, and telecommunication industries. Our products and systems address heat issues and precise temperature control of medical imaging and diagnostic systems. With our advanced thermal cycling technology, our temperature control systems improve the performance and test results of analytical and molecular diagnostic systems. For X-ray-based inspection equipment and industrial lasers, we offer both solid-state thermoelectric and liquid cooling solutions that address a wide range of cooling capacity demands. To accelerate greater functionality, uptime, and higher data transmission speeds, our Telcordia-certified thermoelectric assemblies and temperature controllers address the thermal requirements of next-generation telecommunication networks. By offering a broad range of design, prototyping, and in-house testing and qualification capabilities, we partner closely with our customers across the entire product development lifecycle. Our global design, manufacturing, and support resources help customers shorten their product design cycle, maximize productivity, uptime, performance, and product quality. Laird Thermal Systems is a world leader because of our people. We are a global team of talented individuals working to make a difference for each other, our customers, and our communities. Our team's strong technology and application know-how drives the ability to develop precision cooling systems that meet specific customer demands. Laird Thermal Systems is committed to delivering best-in-class quality with a relentless pursuit of customer satisfaction. Our team drives quality, ensures reliable fulfillment, and customer satisfaction as a competitive advantage for our customers. Every employee has personal accountability for the quality of our products, services, and processes, with a goal of 100% customer satisfaction as a key business priority. With unmatched custom design expertise, validation test services, world-class manufacturing and service operations, and business design centers located all over the world, Laird Thermal Systems thermal experts are ready to assist on your next development program. With years of experience solving complex thermal problems through our global engineering, manufacturing, and service footprint, Laird Thermal Systems is ready to help you deliver your next generation products. Partner with Laird Thermal Systems and put our team of thermal experts to work for you.